Hey YouTube, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for watching. This video will be an application video and the nail art will be a separate video, so be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss out. Let's get into it. I bought these tips from Shein a while ago. I believe these are the 3XL square tips, and I'll be giving my client coffin shape today. When building my foundation, I focus on 3 areas: the cuticle area, sidewalls, and the apex. It's crucial to take your time and focus on these areas, as this is what is going to give you a strong foundation with no lifting, cracks, or breakage. Pay close attention to my pattern as I'm prioritizing these areas with every bead placement. Immediately working the product to the sidewalls, I'm building my shape at the same time. Be sure to keep your bit flat in the cuticle area and support that pinky. My main focus when e-filing is to remove the bulk from the cuticle area, which gives you that flush cuticle look, and it also prevents lifting. When going over that apex area, I use very light pressure until I get to when it comes down to the free edge, and that's when I use most of my pressure to get a nice easy blend between the two. As you can see, I follow a very specific pattern. Like every single nail, I do the same thing, and that's how you can guarantee the integrity of your nails. I am using a 180 sanding band, and this technique that I'm using is called looking down the barrel. You're basically tilting the nail up and looking down the center of the nails. That's where you see the imperfections that you miss with the other bit, and you go ahead and clean it up, remove the bulk, and smooth out the nail. I only use this technique with the sanding band because the other bit may take up too much product, and you definitely don't want that. So the sanding band is the best tool to use for this technique. We're gonna shape one last time because after all that e-filing, the shape is out of whack. So we gotta get it back together, get it nice and sharp and clean, and we good to go. Now I did shape the hand facing towards me to get the sidewalls first, but the angle was horrible, so I did have to crop that out. But I did explain that in another video. If you go back to my other videos, I'm gonna link my playlist so you can go watch all of my videos if you haven't, and that's where I show you exactly how to shape from the other direction. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please leave me your favorite emoji in the comments, please. I need to know who's watching. Like, let's be friends. Say hi. Don't be rude. As stated earlier in the video, I will be posting the nail art portion to this set, so please be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you over there.